Welcome to a spiritual journey of the heart as we embark on a pilgrimage to one of the most hallowed and cherished locations in our Christian faith, the Mount of Beatitudes in Israel. This sacred hill overlooking the tranquil expanse of the Sea of Galilee is a place where the words of Jesus during his Sermon on the Mount have resonated for generations, offering profound guidance for living a life of virtue, of hope, of humility, of servanthood, of surrender, and of love. Before we delve into the treasures of the Mount of Beatitudes, let's first appreciate the breathtaking setting in which it's nestled. The Sea of Galilee, also known as Lake Kinneret, stretches out before us, its azure waters reflecting the boundless sky. This sea, which played a central role in the ministry of Jesus, continues to inspire believers around the world. Although the exact location of the Mount of Beatitudes is not known with absolute certainty, there is very strong historical evidence to suggest that this very site is the correct one. And so, in our mind's eye, we can see Jesus as he climbed to this viewpoint overlooking the Sea of Galilee to deliver the Sermon on the Mount. Our journey begins with the biblical foundation that underpins the significance of this location. These Beatitudes can be found in the Gospel of Matthew 5, verses 1 to 12. Okay, let's enter the Mount of Beatitudes. As you stroll through the gardens, you'll encounter a beautiful mosaic that captures the essence of the 8 Beatitudes. The vibrant colors and intricate designs of the mosaic reflect the depth and complexity of the teachings of Jesus. They invite us to contemplate and to explore their meaning in our own lives. Along the pathways, we'll find a variety of seating areas and benches. These invite you to pause and reflect on the beauty and the wisdom of the teachings of Jesus. Whether you're seeking a quiet moment of contemplation or a place to sit and read, the gardens of the Mount of Beatitudes offer the perfect respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life and the busyness of a pilgrimage tour in Israel. Now, let's approach the chapel. As we approach the chapel, our hearts are filled with anticipation. This chapel, an architectural masterpiece crafted in 1937 by the skilled hands of Italian architect Antonio Barluzzi, stands as a beacon of faith on this consecrated land. Stepping inside, we are welcomed by a breathtaking sight. The chapel's dome is adorned with magnificent frescoes, each representing one of the 8 Beatitudes. The hues and details of these frescoes bring the teachings of Jesus to life. Sunlight filters through the colorful stained glass windows, creating an atmosphere of serenity and reflection that fills our souls. The artistic and architectural beauty of the chapel mirrors the profound impact of the Beatitudes on the lives of those who follow Christ. It's a reminder that in the words of Jesus, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God." Now, Stepping out of the chapel, we enter the lush gardens that envelop the sacred hill. The meticulously maintained flora in these gardens is a testament to the tranquility and the peace that the Beatitudes inspire. Among the flora, the olive trees hold a special significance. These ancient trees symbolize the enduring nature of Christ's teachings. Just as olives provide oil for light, so do these teachings illuminate the path of righteousness, guiding our steps as we strive to embody the Beatitudes. As we look down from the skies on the Mount of Beatitudes, we get a comprehensive perspective of this sacred location. From this vantage point, the Sea of Galilee, a body of water central to Jesus' ministry, stretches as far as the eye can see. The Mount of Beatitudes is not just a physical place. It's a spiritual oasis, a sanctuary where people from around the world come to rekindle their faith, to find solace in the teachings of Christ, and to experience His divine presence. Whether you come here to pray, to meditate, or simply to be in awe of the profound teachings of Jesus, the Mount of Beatitudes offers an experience that touches the depths of our souls. It's a reminder we are all invited to live the blessed life, to be salt of the earth and the light of the world. Thank you for joining us on this short virtual tour of the Mount of Beatitudes. Take with you the tranquility and the inspiration you found here. Let the beauty and the wisdom of this sacred place guide and inspire you on your journey. And may it fill your heart with love, compassion, servanthood, and grace.